Now I possibly am the most random vlogger who starts his intro at any random place given. With that being said, what's going on you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing absolutely fine. Today we are headed out on a ride yet again, and I have my little cousin accompanying me today yet again on his second ride.
Hi guys, how are you doing?
This is Rishan, and he was there with me yesterday when we went to the Chamundi Hills.
It's gonna be a lot of fun.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. He's very excited. Let's see how that goes. Also, you guys don't complain about me having two glances on me. I'm gonna be putting this back in the bag. But yeah, with that being said, let's get going. Peace. Guys, we're having some trouble to mount this phone here. The mount refuses to unscrew. It does not want to open. A good lesson to learn, guys. Go work out in the gym. At this point, I just have to give up. This does not seem to be unscrewing. Just gonna... Not happening, guys. Thing we do after turning the GoPro on is stop at the traffic light. Why is everyone already leaving, bro? Light is still red. Let's go. Mysore is just a beautiful place all in all. Look at all the trees. Second signal of the ride. That's okay. The best thing about Mysore is the traffic does not feel like traffic. You just keep going everywhere. Any signal you stop at, it's just 10-15 seconds. Guys, this is what I was talking about. We just got to this signal, it's already green. This signal is green too. So what's happening? We are in for enough. No. What? This signal was green too. What did he just do? Traffic. And it turned red. Come on. This is the first traffic signal we'll be stopping at.
We stopped in the previous traffic signal.
But that was like 10 seconds.
Off-roading very
easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and this is a beautiful car. Whoa. Guys, we are at Sagarkatte. Well, this was supposed to be filled with all water this way and this way. Guys, we made it to the place, but let me tell you, the place is disappointing today. Because this place was completely filled with water and today it's completely dry. It is nothing compared to what we have seen in the past years. It was filled all the way till here. Not even exaggerating. It's pretty disappointing. But on the bright side, we have such good clouds today. So yeah, the views are pretty good. And it is slightly drizzling. There's absolutely no one on the road. Yeah, helmet hair, messy hair. Doesn't really go well. There's also one more spot where we could go to, and we will be going there obviously because we've come so far and we wouldn't want to miss an opportunity to go there. So yeah, that's one spot where we would be going after this, and yeah, we'll take you guys along. Let's go. Guys, the weather is just so weird right now. If you can look at my bike, there was rain just a few minutes back. And
Not few minutes, seconds.
a few seconds back, quite literally, yeah. It is raining all the way back there, and once we come here, it doesn't rain. Okay, and this is the road we have to take for other spots we were talking about a while ago. There's all clear skies here and it's all cloudy there. You actually can't extend this weather, which is weird. I think we're headed on the wrong road, Kishan.
Very safe.
We'll have to make a U-turn. Yeah, this is the right road.
Bro, seriously.
Yeah. No, but we never crossed the railway track. We are definitely in the wrong road. Let's turn back.
You want to check maps?
Yeah, we'll turn back, we'll cross the track and check.
But you told you were sure about the road, right?
It looked very familiar. That's what happens when you come after a really long time. Guys, this video took a really wrong turn right now. Just like how we took a wrong turn. Oh wait, do we have to take a U-turn?
Yes, through the railway track.
Yeah. What is happening right now? I have no clue what's happening right now. It is drizzling.
We are lost.
We are lost. I don't know where we are. We are just exploring at this point. If I had one of my cousins, they would have showed me the right way, but sadly they're all busy. I have never been on this road. Where are we?
I can see the direction.
Yeah, that's a good sign. This bike does such a good job off-road.
Only for one person.
Only for one person. How do you feel?
Bumpy.
He feels bumpy. I am enjoying. We made it all the way till the water. The views are just beautiful. What do you think it is?
Pretty beautiful, bro. I guess the bike ride was pretty worth it.
The bike ride was worth it. I'm gonna shoot some cinematics for you guys real quick before these clouds make it all the way above our head. It's already drizzling. I hope we don't get caught up in the rain. Cinematics in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I hope you guys like the cinematic. If you did, please comment down below. And I would also like to take this moment to appreciate the view and also appreciate the viewers, because you guys didn't know we hit 100 subscribers. I would really like to thank you guys for supporting me all the way along, and I'm gonna keep posting content for you guys, just brainstorming ideas to get content out for you guys. This is one of them with such good views. Just comment down below if you guys have any recommendations or anything I should vlog, and I shall do it if I can. But yeah, otherwise I am extremely thankful and grateful for you guys supporting my channel. It's been a good run so far. My channel is not only based over supercars, superbikes. It's also going to be lifestyle vlogs and challenges maybe in the future. I have some plans for that, so yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Like he said, stay tuned. Listen to the man. It's good to sometimes get out of your comfort zone and keep doing things. I am still not comfortable vlogging out there because there's a lot of people looking at you, but yeah, I'm just doing it for the content, for you guys. Now if you guys remember what I said in the last video, I just said there's always something to be really appreciative of, and this is what I mean. The views out here are just beautiful. Guys, my hair is going left, right, center, but we finally managed to get the bike all the way till the water. And yeah, we are getting really good shots. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, please make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll drop my link somewhere. I don't know, I'll just drop But yeah, I'm gonna be posting cool content on there. Otherwise, these views, man, this is what we came here for. Nishan, how are you liking it? It's awesome. It is worth every single minute of us being here, and it is just beautiful. Words really can't explain how good the view is right now. Yeah, it's time to head back home, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Other than that, it's been your boy Pratheerth Sharma, and I am signing out with this beautiful view. Peace.